Okay, sorry. First of all, I'm recording this on my computer, so I'm sorry for the bad quality, and if you can hear my AC in the background or my fan, I'm really sorry, but I also need to apologize for the fact that this video is really dark. Not like, ooh, it's dark. No, it's like you can't see it. And it gets corrected later in the video, and I haven't gotten to editing yet, to that part of editing yet. So if this never sees the light of day, that's why. Hello. It's crackhead hours. And so what am I gonna do? As you can see, I've upgraded. I have a cameraman. What I also have are mushy, rotting, not rotted, bananas. If you can see two computer screens, Mom is working from home.
I'm trying to keep them out of frame.
You can show them. Rate my mom's setup. It's midnight and you guys seem to enjoy the banana bread video. And
It was good banana bread.
And I actually want to take a picture of it this time. That's stupid, but Dad bought more bananas and he said make more banana bread. And so I thought I'll make a better tutorial. And I'm whispering because like I said, it's midnight and my parents are asleep, or at least they should be, and so should we, but we're not.
I have class tomorrow.
I have offloaded the recipe onto my notes app. Step number 1, preheat oven to 350. We can do that. Wow, quality. Okay, so a lot of this might be sped up. And oh, I made an intro without. There's gonna be another intro before this that you would have already seen that I have yet to know. And so this is gonna suck because unlike last time, I can't have access to my beauty, my stand mixer, because that makes a lot of noise. I'm gonna make it brighter. Prepare to adjust.
No, it's still good.
Okay. So since I have to do this by hand, a lot of this is gonna be either cut or sped up. And since I'm on my actual camera, this can be longer than 15 minutes. I don't intend on it being, but you know, just in case. Since some of you may know, I run a thriving business. Follow me on Instagram at Wade's Bake Stuff, where I sell cakes. And so I only purchase the finest of self-rising cake flour. I do own all-purpose. I own a big bag of it, but this is open and I don't want to go through much hassle. How much is it? Also, I am aware that this is, oh, well, that's good, that this is a liquid measuring cup, but I don't care. I'm supposed to be again, I don't have mascarpone or
sour cream.
So I'll be replacing that with more milk.
Is that what you did last time?
Yeah. Also, I just noticed while editing this, that was the sound of a car. We are under strict house arrest where no car is supposed to, nobody can be out past 7. Why was there a car at midnight? Sorry, Father. So now, I'll take the biggest bowl that I have. Okay, and the little, how much butter is it?
Oh my god, how are you gonna cream the butter?
By hand.
Oh no.
This will be a test to my baking skills. I have experience.
Just 30?
Sorry enough.
Plop it in.
Can you pass me the milk? Okay, ladies.
How much?
Grab your whisks. The milk has a specific measure. Oh shit, put this back, please. Oh, I am allowed to replace it with milk, huh?
The more you know. Boom, 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 boom.
That was loud as fuck.
Bonk. What is it gonna be? Just 1/3? It's more. That's more than a third. That's almost not a cup.
No, it's not, because you're looking at it from the top, so your perspective skews it. When you look from the bottom, it's not.
Oh.
I've done this enough times.
Great job.
It's true. Anyways, this is gonna be
Bad.
but
You should have probably creamed.
it's 12:13. Let's see how long this takes. I mean, last time I didn't get this to light and fluffy how the recipe wants it. I gotta restart my mashed potatoes.
Dutch angle. It's not a straight on angle. It's a Dutch angle. For some reason, they're called Dutch angles. I don't know. Filmmaking. Whip that boot hair.
But this ain't gonna whip. That's the thing. I think this
I
is.
think that's about as good as you're gonna get.
Yeah. And now it's 12. That only took 3 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad.
2 minutes because it was 13.
That's not bad.
Children don't do this, but I'm cracking it.
You're doing the cardinal sin.
Yeah,
Why are you doing the cardinal sin?
because I don't feel like doing it on another one. Is there an eggshell? I don't think so.
Cooking with
there was one.
Get that the hell out of there.
This is where I'm altering. Well, I've been altering technically, but I have 6 bananas, and last time I believe I used about 6 bananas. Okay, I don't know if you're able to tell on camera. There's like little brown streaks.
Well, you can't really tell the.
Okay, anyways, trust me on this. Also, make sure it's brighter than you think because that camera tends to make it dark. I don't know why.
Oh, never mind. Then this whole thing's been very dark.
Oh shit.
It is brighter now.
Anyways, I'll just put like an old filter overlay over it. Anyway, trust me, there's like little brown swirlies. That's banana. And this is my main alteration. I like cinnamon in my banana bread.
Ooh, hell yeah.
And I don't have a measurement for you.
Ojímetro.
Yes.
Puro.
This is a lot. Just like cover the entire surface in like a thin layer. Like you're making tiramisu, but like with cinnamon instead of cocoa butter. And then this just makes it, you know, ethnic.
¿Por qué?
Like it makes it like not
More
white.
Latin makes it. Yeah, it's
Not
called
white.
seasoning.
One day I'll make a version, a mix of this where it's just regular banana bread, and then I'll make one mix that's really concentrated with cinnamon, and then I'll add them together so I can get like a swirly effect. And okay, this addition was
That's a lot.
not in the original. The reason I am adding this, A, I just prefer things tasting more like holiday food because it makes me happy. B is because since you may have noticed, and I have mentioned it before, these bananas were riper. That's correct, right?
Yes,
riper.
that is the correct verb tensing.
Riper than the previous ones.
Wow, I made it all right now. Wow.
Since they were riper, and this has a lot of sugar, it's sweeter. And so cinnamon, I don't know if this is correct because I've never been to culinary school, and the few classes that I have taken never mentioned this, but I'm just speaking from personal experience and from what I feel like. Cinnamon is like salt in the way that it enhances the flavor. If it's sweeter, it'll just make it taste deeper but still sweet, and if something's salty, it'll still play with that. That's why like some cinnamon gum is sweet and some cinnamon gum can be like really spicy, and I don't like either. But nutmeg is a very warm spice, and in my case it tones it down, and so hopefully if I've done this correctly, it'll taste a little bit better. Would you like to try some?
No, I'm good.
So I'm shaking the pan. Preferred spray. Do not get the Great Value vegetable nonstick cooking spray. That is That shit's garbage. Get Pam. Thank you, Pam, for sponsoring this video.
I wish.
Yeah, I wish. It's a great moisturizer.
Raid Shadow.
No. So, last time, if you saw the video, I'll link it at the end.
You could even put it in a card.
I could put it in a card, but at the end, I'll make it better.
Right there.
Jesus. Anyways, I used parchment paper, but if you saw it, you saw my struggle. Yeah, it made it easier to take it out.
Yeah, but unwrapping it was,
stuck in. So, actually, I think what I am going to do.
Que perfeccionista.
It's not que soy un perfeccionista. If I leave that in, it'll get into the bread. And I don't want to have the same thing as last time. Especially since I'm going to have to pull it out for it to cool. Because if I leave it in, it's just going to stick to it. We
apply non-stick cooking spray.
Oh wow, I was going to be like, it's slippery. Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, that's the entire
point. Yeah, no
point.
shit, honey. Okay, I think that's maybe good. Okay, smooth out any air bubbles. If you want to be overkill, you could use a bench scraper, but your finger is fine. Oh no, it should be fine.
Does it rise a lot?
Not really. It rises enough, but everything... Okay, fuck, now I need a spatula. Oh, it's okay.
No, for the shot.
It'll just... How close are we though?
45 seconds.
Oh shit. And so, I'm gonna face my fears. This is a really big moment for me. I don't like to put things in without gloves on because I have a really big fear that even if my hands are on the sides and there's cake below me, once I place it, my hands are just gonna instinctively go and get barbecued.
I mean, I could do it.
No. This is a big moment for me. Don't take this away from me. Did I put it on? I'll just put it on the top shelf. Okay, I'm literally quaking.
How long are you gonna give it? An hour?
Yeah, it says an hour. Are you ready?
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm very sweaty. So it is currently 12:35 a.m. and so
it will end at around 12:36.
Yeah, we'll be back beforehand so that
you can prep the.
Oh my god.
The basting liquid.
Melt the butter, and so once it's out, I can.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's 1:30 and we are slipping deeper and deeper into crackhead hours.
I am literally about to fall asleep.
I'm not, but I wish I could describe to you what this smells like.
Oh, the smells.
I was in my room with AC and a call with Kiara and Amanda, hi sisters. And literally with my AC and fan on and distractions, I'm smelling it. And then when I opened the door, I was like, so I'm pretty sure that mom and dad can also smell it in their
dreams. Yeah, but they're probably sleeping.
In their dreams. So mom's gonna be like, wow, I dreamt of banana bread. And it's like, oh my god, it's real. So I can actually give you like a measurement this time. It'll be like a tablespoon and a half. So this recipe already has a lot of sugar. But we're just gonna... Don't be shy, put some more. Oh. I think that's 2 teaspoons.
That's a tablespoon, boy.
No, because it's too tiny.
Oh no, that's a teaspoon, sorry.
So, some cinnamon. And now just the tiniest dash of holiday.
Oh, wow.
Now, this is a grilling brush. Like I said last time, do I care? No. So we're just gonna mix it up until it's like... Are you ready?
Ooh! That was surprisingly well timed.
Of course, I know how to count. Okay, so we've whipped it out of the oven. Now we're gonna...
She done. And now we glaze. Oh, that is thick. Oh dear Lord, yes.
I hope you're proud, Carla.
Oh, this is already so much better than last time. This is already so much better than last time.
Okay, so as you can see, here's the finished product. I'm I'm gonna put this in the fridge so that it can chill and set up. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. As you can see, it is
A loaf.
Nice and cool. So now we're just gonna.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna put it on the cutting board.
Ooh, the smell. Banana.
Now I want to take a
You're
picture.
gonna. Oh, you're gonna. Of course.
Hey, I went through all the trouble.
An artist at work.
Is it good? Okay, so you like it. So I didn't film an outro or an intro to this video, so we're ending it here. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Leave comments down below. What do you think of this video? Would you try the recipe? And if you do, please tell me because I would love to know. I didn't take a thumbnail picture, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So wish me luck. The previous banana bread video will be on the screen. So yeah, click it. You know you want to. Bye!